On day 4 of our 30 Days to a Deal challenge. It is July 4th, a day brought to you by Armed Americans. All right, so let's take a look at what we have here. I just logged in. It says I have a recommendation. Let's hover over the recommendation and see. And it says your daily budget may be restricting your campaign results. Okay, telling me to spend more money. I'm not going to do it right now, but they may be right. So far I've gotten 5 leads. All right, of those 5 leads, I've gotten in contact with 3 of them. All right, those 3 have been real sellers. One I put under contract, and I literally just got off the phone with my boots in the ground guy. I'm going to share some pictures later. The seller said it was livable, and his family was been living there for years, and they just moved out. It is a knockdown. My boots on the ground guy almost fell through the floor on the second story. He put a hole in the floor, and it's literally, falling down. So I think it's going to be a deal that's going to go away. But I did get him under contract. The other 2 were legitimate sellers. One, we're maintaining contact. And the other one was a commercial property, and I think I'm going to try to hook him up with a commercial real estate agent. Commercial is very hard to wholesale. It's not my cup of tea, but he's a real seller, and he was open to talking to a commercial real estate agent. And because I am also licensed, if I connect him with a real estate agent that works, I may get a commission. So not so bad. Let's take a look here. So what are we looking at? Our frequency is going up. I usually don't like the frequency to go up much past 1.5, but if I'm still getting leads, I'll let it sit. We're talking cost per result right now, $16.90, okay, per lead. That is not bad at all. We'll keep that going for right now. And the way that they're recommending right here to increase the budget means that I probably could have more leads if I increase the budget, but we're going to hold off for just a little bit longer. 25 is my comfort zone, and we usually only go up by 20% per jump anyway. All right, so let's go back here. So far I spent $85 just about. Got 2,400 impressions. Our click-through rate it's not right around. We want to be above 3, so it's not, it's not going through the roof, but 4.19 is not bad. All right, let's break it down and see what we're looking at. All 5 leads have come from this ad set, okay? At $16.04 per. Okay. As you can see, Facebook has identified that this one is taking off, right? So they're putting all of their efforts, behind this ad set. We're not getting a whole lot of reach on the others because Facebook has recognized that this ad set's got what people in my market right now are looking at, or clicking with, right? So just about 2,200 per impressions, cost per click. All right, click-through rate 1.4 is not so bad. I can live with that. And 4.28% CTR all, not bad. It's funny because these have high click-through rates, but Facebook has recognized that they're still not clicking per se with my potential customers. So let's go into our evergreen copy. Okay, and then we're going to do a breakdown. I want to break down and see what we're looking at. First, look at images and videos, and that Uniondale house always gets me one. This one here, I think I showed it last time we were looking. This is one of the first houses we bought in Virginia when we moved here. This I made on Canva. It's gotten me a few leads, but it's not a top performer like this Uniondale house one is. Okay, over here, this got 2 leads. Okay, this picture, and there's another picture I have with like a picture of it's got a broken light on the floor. Has always gotten me a bunch of leads. All right, and the next one here is a kitchen. People like kitchens and baths. You put like this is, and these are real houses. So like, wow, I have a house that looks like this. It it really connects with them. The only thing you can do to make these a little better, and I didn't do them, is kind of brighten them up. You can go into Canva and brighten them up, make them stand out a little bit more. But these pictures that are actual houses people connect with, right? And the people that connect with it are the people that are selling those houses, which is what you want. Okay, let's take a look. So I'm happy with these so far. Now let's break down and see the text. Is there any specific text? Once again, we need to buy a few properties this month. Always wins. All right. And are you in a bind? This one, I haven't seen this one too much at all. Usually it's I'm looking to buy a few properties. All right. So are you in a bind to sell your house quickly? All right. This is one of my, whoops, I keep moving my mouse. Okay, that got us a lead. And is it possible to sell your house in a month without giving it away? I get a few leads on that. So what we do is I identify all of our best images and best texts, and we go down and also do descriptions and headlines, right? And we figure out, but I only use one description. I could always use more, but let's see, any headlines here in particular? Attention property owners, I can buy your property this month seriously, got us a lead. And sell your house quickly without giving it away. Probably went with that other, I can sell your house in a month. All right, so then we combine the best of the best and we put that in a new ad campaign. All right, and we just keep testing and picking out the best and the best. So for right now, I'm pretty happy with this campaign. We're getting real motivated sellers. We're not getting, actually the one property, one of those four, the one I'm talking to, it was listed, right? So I put them in in the follow-up group to see if the lead falls, if the listing goes away. But they're all real sellers, which is good. So I know that the pond that Facebook is fishing in right now is motivated sellers. All right, people that have houses and people that want to sell them. So at $16.90 a lead in the areas that I want to. So far, I've gotten leads in Hampton Roads, in St. Louis, and in Youngstown. So I'm getting leads where I want them. I'm getting good price leads, and they're active sellers. We'll keep this going. All right. Hopefully we get a real good deal. I was really hopeful that that first contract was going to work out good because it was right in St. Louis, multifamily, good price. But man, oh man, I just got the pictures and it looks like it needs gasoline in a match. All right, until next time, have a great day and happy 4th of July.